This is the problem number 3.2 from Erodov from electrodynamics. In this question it is given that what should be the interaction force between two copper spheres each of 1 gram separated by a distance 1 meter if the total electronic charges in them differ from total charge of the nuclei by 1%. So let's solve this question. For solving the problem, spheres are assumed as point charges. Spheres are assumed as point charges. The atomic weight of copper is the atomic weight of copper is equal to 63.55 gram. So number of atoms in 63.55 gram copper is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. So the number of atoms in 1 gram copper will be equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 63.55. Let this number is equal to N1. So the number of protons in 1 gram copper, number of protons in 1 gram copper equal to N1, that is equal to capital N1 into atomic number of copper that will be equal to 29 N1, as the atomic number of copper is 29. So total charge on the nuclei, total charge on the nuclei of 1 gram of copper atom will be equal to Q1, which is equal to N1 into E, or that will be equal to 29 N1 E. According to the problem, charge on each sphere is equal to Q1 into 1%, that is equal to Q1 divided by 100, which will be equal to 29 N1E divided by 100, or we can write this 29E divided by 100 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 63.55. So force of interaction F will be equal to Q square divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R square, that will be equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 2e into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 6.63.55 square divided by 1 square. So our here E is equal to charge of electron, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So after putting the values, will get, this will implies F means force of interaction equal to 1.74 into 10 to the power 15 Newton. This is the required answer for our given question.